हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल आदर्श कोचिंग यूट्यूब चैनल को तुम को स्वागत। प्रिय छात्र छात्री मैंने आज क्लास 9 स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम चैप्टर 4 केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम क्लास 9 रो केमिस्ट्री स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम रो गोटे शॉर्ट रिवीजन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू, व्हाट आर द सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स? राइट डिटेल्स ऑल अबाउट इट। व्हाट आर द सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स इनसाइड दिस atom ro it is a nucleus bhitar achi proton plus neutron, electrons are revolves around it. That means some subatomic particles are present inside the atom. First one is your electron discovered by J.J. Thomson. Its charge is negative and mass is negligible mass. That means total mass of atom ru electron, you can neglect the mass of electron from total mass of the atom. Similarly, second subatomic particle is your proton, charge your positive. It is 1840 as per 2000 times more massive than electron. Charge is your positive, electron is negative, proton is positive. And proton discovered by E. Goldstein in 1886. Similarly, neutron, it is neutral, discovered by James Chadwick. Neutron charge neutral, mass equal to proton no mass. That means your question number 1 is your finished. Next question. Here another question for you. What do you mean by structure of atom? Structure of atom कहले कौन बुझो? Structure of atom before 18th century Dalton's atomic theory पर्यंत before 18th century Dalton's proposed that atom is indivisible. There is no subatomic or particles inside the atom. Atom means I cannot be cut. Divisible atom ku is impossible thila. But 18th century pare when especially electron proton discovered the structure of atom scientists developed the structure of atom. Means inside this atom subatomic particles electron, proton and a neutron. How these subatomic particles are distributed or present inside this atom is called your structure of atom. Atom ro inside the electron, proton, neutron chemically distribute hoichanti. How subatomic particles electron, protons and neutrons are distributed inside this atom, present inside this atom is called your structure of atom. Similarly, question number 3 for you. What is canal ray? Canal ray con radiation of gas discharge having positive charge and considerable mass that is equal to 4 unit. 4 unit charge is your 2 plus 2 positive, doubly positive. Nothing but it is helium particles, He plus plus. That means canal ray is a high radiation of gas discharge ro radiation and having doubly positive and 4 unit mass, considerable mass means equal to helium mass of helium is called your canal ray. That will be question number 2 and question number 3 finished. Now question number 4. Here question number 4 for you. Difference between electron and proton. Write the difference between electron and proton. Electrons are negative, protons are positive. Electrons are negligible mass, protons are 2000 times heavier, massive than electrons. Similarly, question number 5. Explain Thomson's atomic model and write his conclusion. Thomson atomic model को explain करिवो आउ तांकर conclusion कोन कला, conclusion कोन ड्रा कले से ताकू भी लिखिवो. Thomson atomic model atom is just like your fist mass of pudding. The edible part of the pudding, that means total dish pudding or just like a cake is your positive, and the dry fruits or dry nuts are distributed or embedded in it are negative part of the atom or electrons. Tale total atom is positive and the dry nuts or dry fruits are negative. Conclusion, what is the conclusion? Just like another things according to your Thomson's model, another things atom is just like your watermelon. the red edible part is your positive part, and the seeds are embedded in it are negative part of the atom. That means electrons are embedded in it, and the edible part is your red part is your positive part. What is the conclusion about your Thomson's atomic model? Conclusion is total atom is just like a sphere. Total sphere is positive and electrons are embedded in it. An atom consists of positive charge sphere and electrons are embedded in it. Is your conclusion. Similarly, the negative and positive, it is point 2, conclusion number 2. Negative and positive, negative part and positive part have same magnitude of charge but different. Means jetiki positive, setiki negative. Number and charge remain same but opposite each other. Magnitude remains same, opposite charge. That means the negative and the positive charge are equal magnitude, so the atom is wholly neutral, neither positive nor negative. That means your question number 5 is finished. Explain Rutherford atomic model. It is a very important question for you. Book रे पूरा बढ़िया से देछि. Very important question, very important. Exam रे sure आसिबो. It is important question. Explain Rutherford atomic model. How write conclusion also. Conclusion भी लिखिबो. ताले Rutherford atomic model कौन? Rutherford atomic model केनेल रे को नेकी Rutherford experiment करथिले. कौन ना जो डबली चार्ज हीलियम He++ पार्टिकल्स को से जमिति तमरा मु या पूर्व केनेल रे कहितली. केनेल रे रेडिएशन गैस रो रेडिएशन से कौन कले ए केनेल रे को गैस रेडिएशन तमरा जोटा गोटे गोल्ड फॉइल very thin gold foil ऊपर को alpha particles. These particles are called alpha particles को bombard करेले. Most of the alpha particles pass through the gold foil देखी pass कर गला. Few, not most of alpha particles pass through, and a very little particles just bombard with the spherical structure or spherical things inside the atom and make an angle form करके they deflect है. And very less, that means out of 12,000 particles only one direct accident bombard है लाता माने center and return back. Straight line रे back कला. Radiate है ला 180 degree. My making an angle 180 degree. Conclusion कौन है? What is the conclusion of the atomic model? Rutherford atomic model का conclusion. Though alpha particles pass through the gold foil, atom of the gold foil. That means this space, most of this space inside this atom is empty. A heavy massive particle is present center of this atom. Atom ro center re one heavy massive and is positive charge because alpha particles are doubly plus and considerable mass 4 unit mass ro alpha particles जेतले bombard हेछि का सहित central heavy massive सहित से repel हेछि attract हेनि. जदि central particles negative हेइथांता ताले alpha particles से attract करथांता. But alpha particles radiate हेइछंती. Alpha particles deflect हेइछंती माने bombard हेकि angle formation करिस माने बंके जचंती path change करि हेइछंती. That means conclusion तांकर कोन हला ना most of the space inside this atom is empty and a heavy massive particle present in center of the atom and it is positive charge, considerable mass. That means he concluded that the total mass of the atom is concentrated in a very little space inside the atom. Very small space he acquire karichi, just 10,000 times less than the total area of this atom. Atom ro total area ru alpo area mane 10,000 times less area occupy karichi, heavy, massive and positive. Hela. These are some things or clear cut about your Rutherford atomic model. Similarly, it is question 7 for you. Write drawbacks of a Rutherford model. Rutherford atomic model drawbacks. Drawbacks kon rahila. According to Rutherford atomic model, electrons are revolves around the nucleus in a circular orbit. Though in a circular orbit, electrons revolves karuchanti nucleus charipate. That means in a circular orbit, the electrons are continuously they discharge energy because they accelerate in circular path. Circular path re rotate means they accelerate they accelerate. Accelerate means they undergo acceleration. Acceleration continuously accelerate means they electrons will lose their energy. ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଏନର୍ଜି ସେମାନେ ଲୁଜ୍ କରିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଏମିତି ଆସିବ ଯେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଦ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନ୍ସ ୱିଲ୍ ମର୍ଜ ୱିଥ୍ ଦିସ୍ ନ୍ୟୁକ୍ଲିୟସ୍ ସହିତ ମର୍ଜ କରିଯିବେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର୍ ଆଉ ଯେଉଁ ଆଟମ୍ର ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର୍ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସେଟା ଦେଖିବା ପସିବୁଲ୍ ହେବନି ବିକଜ୍ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସଲି ସର୍କୁଲାର ପାଥ୍ରେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନ୍ସ ରିଭଲ୍ଭ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କଲେ ଦେ ରେଡ଼ିଏଟ୍ ଏନର୍ଜି ମିନ୍ସ ଦେ ଲୁଜ୍ ଦେୟାର ଏନର୍ଜି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଦେ ୱିଲ୍ ମର୍ଜ ୱିଥ୍ ଦି न्यूक्लियस विल अट्राक्ट देम अट्राक्ट करी आछिबो आउ आटम रो स्ट्रक्चर स्क्वीज हेजिबो जो टोटल आटम ता थिला से न्यूक्लियस रे मर्ज हेजिबो बट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज आटम गोटे स्ट्रक्चर अछि कंसीडरेबल स्ट्रक्चर इट इज कंसीडरेबल कांस्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर दैट मीन्स इट वाज द ड्रॉबैक्स ऑफ रदरफोर्ड एटॉमिक मॉडल. Explain Bohr's next question. Explain Bohr's atomic model to overcome the drawback or complaint. जो atomic model Rutherford रो जहाँ complaint थिला drawback आउट थिला ताकू overcome करी Bohr's गोटे new model explain कले. कौन सा new model ना electrons खाली circular path रे नो electrons are revolve. This is your nucleus. Electrons are revolves around the nucleus. This are energy level. Electrons are revolves around the nucleus. Nucleus चारिपटे घुरुचंती. Discarded path, constant path. These path are energy level or cell. Energy level or cell. Cell. It is your K cell, L cell. Namely K, L, M, N are different cells and electrons are revolves around. Electrons are revolves around the nucleus. Nucleus चारिपटे electrons revolves around करतंती. Energy level अछि discrete orbits. These are K, L, M, N cells. K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell. And number of electrons present in these cells are different. A formula 2n square. What is n? N is number of cells. Number of cells 2n square. That means K cell by n equal to 1. 2 into 1 square. 1 square 1 into 2. 2. L cell n equal to 2. 2 into 2 square. 2 into 2 square. 2 square 4 into 2. That means 8. K cell consists only 2 electrons. L cell 8 electrons. M cell n equal to 3. 2 into 3 square, 3 square 9 into 2, 18 electrons. That means electrons are revolves around the nucleus. Just K cell 2 electrons, L cell 2 into 2 square, 8 electrons, M cell 2 into 3 square, 8 electrons, 18 electrons, KLM, M cell 2 into 4 square, 16 into 2, 13 electrons. 32. 4 square 16 into 2, 32 electrons revolves around the nucleus. How as much as or as long as, not as much as long as electrons are revolves around in particular energy level or discrete orbit, they will not lose or gain energy. ଯେତେବେଳେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନ୍ ରିଭର୍ସ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଡେଫିନାଇଟ୍ ସେଲ୍ରେ, they will not radiate any energy, they will not loss or gain energy. या पर हायर क्लास रे तुमने सब पढ़िब जे एनर्जी गेन करके केमती लोअर सेल रु अपर सेल को इलेक्ट्रॉन जंप करे, आउ एनर्जी लूज करके लॉस करके एनर्जी केमती अपर सेल रु लोअर सेल को इलेक्ट्रॉन से जंप करे. ये परवर्ती कथा. बट एबे तमे पढ़िब आज लॉन्ग आज इलेक्ट्रॉन आर रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड इन डेफिनेटली और पर्टिकुलर एनर्जी लेवल और सेल, दे विल नॉट रेडिएट एनी एनर्जी, दैट मीन्स दे विल नॉट गेन एनर्जी और दे विल नॉट lose energy. Now electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration, write short notes. Electronic configuration, short note. Short notes कौन सब तमरे एठी रही छी. फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, ये निश्चय गुटे पड़िबो. Distribution of electrons in different cells are electronic configuration. Second, question number 2 is your octet rule. Octet rule. Third one, octet rule. Third one, configuration. Third one is your isotopes. Fourth one, isobar. Electronic configuration. Electrons distribution means electronic configuration. Distribution of electrons, just like your magnesium. Magnesium atomic number 12. K cell, L cell, N cell. K consists 2. K रो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन था, ताले 2 रहिबो. L रे 8, 2 plus 8 10 हे गला. N cell, it is outermost cell for magnesium, and valency equal to 2. Similarly, short notes, another question, valency. Valency कौन? The electrons present in outermost cell of the atom is called valence electron. Second, ताले electronic configuration बुझ गला. Electronic configuration means distribution of electrons in different cells or energy levels. Similarly, octet rule, each and every element wants contain 8 electrons in their outermost cell. Outermost cell each and every element चाहती 8 electron contain करिया पाई. आउ configuration of the nearest inert gas सब के inert gas out of note तमे भी लिखि पारिबो. inert gases are the elements which contain 8 electrons except helium को छाड़ देले. helium रा केवल outermost cell 2 electrons अछि, valence 0. inert gas element जे सब रहले helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon are inert gases. Except helium, all of these elements, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, are contain 8 electrons in their outermost cell. That means they are valence 0. Inert gas ro valence 0 hoy. How? Octet, each and every element contain 8 electrons in their outermost cell is called octet rule. 8 electrons contain kariya pai, even they donate, they receive and share electrons. Electron donate kari paribe, just like your chlorine ro example ta diye, sodium ro example ta diye tame nabo. Sodium atomic number is your 11, 2 K cell, 8 L cell, 1 M cell, KLM, 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 11. That means sodium 1 electrons roichi, tar valence 1, it will donate 1 electron. Au Na plus sodium gote electron donate karibo, Na plus hobo, and donate kari sala pare tar electron number hejibo 11 thila 10 hejibo 2 and 8. Outermost cell contain 8 electrons, nearest structure to the neon atomic number 10. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon पर sodium 11, sodium गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर दबा. Na plus of sodium positive ion, cation, आउ 2 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन तार रेस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहा 2 and 8 स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नियन सिमिलरली क्लोरीन सोडियम एग्जांपल में देई थाली क्लोरीन रो इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर होची 17 287 KLN N cell it consists 7 electrons means valency 7 है था no valency not more than 4 टेट्रा valency कार्बन अछि 4 रु अधिक होबनी 4 रु जदी अधिक हला कोन करबो सब्ट्रैक्ट करबो फ्रॉम 8 ताले 8 - 7 1 is your valence of the chlorine रो valence 1 ताले केमिति 1 हला ना 287 अछि ये गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करबो गेन करले Cl- क्लोरीन नेगेटिव चार्ज है जीवो आउ 17 इलेक्ट्रॉन थला गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करले क्लोरीन -18 इलेक्ट्रॉन है जीवो आउ आर्गन रो स्ट्रक्चर से लाभ करबो क्लोरीन 18 हे गले 288 that means outermost cell contain 8 electrons this rule is called octet rule then isotopes what is isotope means elements have same atomic number different mass number are called isotope same atomic number different mass number hydrogen have 3 isotopes hydrogen by protium then D deuterium T tritium both hydrogen deuterium tritium have a same atomic number समस्त सेम अछि protium 1 1 atomic number 1 mass number 1 deuterium 1 2 mass number 2 atomic number 1 tritium atomic number 1 mass number is your 3 similarly other atoms like your carbon atom have isotope carbon atom 612 carbon 614 that means same atomic number 6 remain same but mass number 12 and 14 carbon have 2 isotopes similarly chlorine have 2 isotopes chlorine 1737 and 1739 tale isotopes same atomic number different mass number now isobar what is isobar is your elements having same mass number different atomic number same mass number but different atomic number different अछि mass number same अछि just like your argon and calcium और argon no atomic number होची 18 mass 40 similarly calcium atomic number 20 mass 40 माने atomic number 18 और 20 different mass number same है then valency already मैं कहि जानि valency the element having the number of electrons present in outermost cell ले जहां number of electron अछि combining capacity ता कोंती further तमे सेटा पढिबो ताले valency electron होची outermost cell थिबा electron if outermost cell electrons more than 4 रु जदि अधिक अछि you will subtract it from 8 ରୁ subtract करबो then inorganic gases मो ऑलरेडी कहि सारछि helium neon argon platinum xenon and radon short questions भी तमरो सरी गला आ दीटा क्वेश्चन मु छाडी गली गोटे हला शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस रे आ गोटे हला तमरो क्वेश्चन नंबर V3 जे atomic number atomic number and mass number of atom atomic number mass number difference between पढ़ी पारे atomic number कौन number of proton और इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन तो तमरो समान एटा हला atomic number mass number कौन mass number हला sum of proton and neutron present in nucleus है जतिकटा प्रोटॉन जतिकटा न्यूट्रॉन अछि तार सम होचे mass number आउ जतिकटा प्रोटॉन अछि बा इलेक्ट्रॉन से रिवर्स राउंड करछि न्यूक्लियस सेटा हला तार atomic number mass number is denoted by the letter A atomic number is denoted by the letter Z difference between एमती atomic number mass number तमे लिखि पाइबो आउ होल नंबर रे बोथ को एक्सप्रेस करा जाउछि आउ गोटे क्वेश्चन मु तुम छाडी देथिली एवरेज mass of the chlorine here is a question for you. Calculate the average mass of chlorine. Chlorine average mass we calculate kariba. We know that chlorine have two isotopes, chlorine 1735, chlorine 1737. It is nature re tar occurrence 3:1 ratio. Chlorine occurring in nature, just chlorine 35 is your 3 parts and 1 part. That means total 3 plus 1 100 parts যদি 100 বলি ধরিবা তাহলে 100 by 4 40 sorry 100 by 4 25 25 3 या 75 into 25 75% is your chlorine 35 25% is your 37 chlorine 37 calculate the average mass 35 bala 35 into 75 by 100 75% plus 37 into 25 by 100 75 and 100 cancel करो 25 3 जा 4 जा 35 3 जा 105 by 4 similarly 25 4 जा 100 37 by 4 4 LCM 105 plus 37 105 plus 37 that equal to 142 by 4 average 35.5 unit U for unit. It is the average mass of chlorine. आमे सेटिफाई क्लोरीन एटॉमिक मास को 35.5 नियंती ताले ऑल आर द क्वेश्चंस अबाउट योर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम्स जहां ये चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन थिला मो शॉर्ट रिवीजन ले तुम से तो डिस्कशन करी भाऊजी तुम एग्जाम पाई तो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फॉर दिस चैप्टर अबाउट फॉर यू अबाउट दिस चैप्टर ये चैप्टर विषय जहां जहां इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थिला मो डिस्कशन कर दे तुम एग्जाम पाई निश्चित एडा सब प्रिपेयर हबो आउ भाऊजी तुम एग्जाम रे बहुत हेल्प करिवो ताले आउ गोटे पुनी नेक्स्ट चैप्टर तुम फिजिक्स गोटे जो चैप्टर आम पढ़ीचे ताले एग्जाम तुम वर्क एनर्जी पावर एंड साउंड ये जो चैप्टर गुड़ा रहा मुझे तुम सहित शेयर करी साउंड वर्क एनर्जी पावर ताहले आज ये क्लास को आम ये रखा जय जगन्नाथ।